Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video we are going to learn about Address Resolution Protocol or ARP. This is one of the most important concepts in computer networking. So, first of all we'll see why we need this protocol. For this, consider a situation. Imagine that a host or a router wants to send an IP datagram to another device. At this moment it knows the IP address of the receiver. However, this IP datagram needs to be encapsulated in a frame so that it can pass through the physical layer. This is because IP layer uses the service of data link layer. This means that the sender needs to know the physical address or the MAC address of the receiver. For finding this physical address from the IP address, the ARP protocol is used. Simply put, ARP protocol maps physical address from the IP address. Now, let's see how this protocol works. Consider the physical network LAN shown here. In a LAN, each device is identified by its physical address. Assume that System A wants to send a packet to another System B. It knows the IP address of the System B. For finding the physical address, System A sends an ARP query packet. This packet contains IP and physical address of the sender System A and the IP address of the System B. This query is broadcasted over the network. Every device or host in the network receives this packet and matches its IP address with the destination IP address of the packet. Only the intended recipient, that is System B, recognizes the IP address and sends an ARP response. This reply or response contains the IP and physical address of System B. This packet is unicast type, as the System B knows the IP and physical address of the inquiring device. Now System A can send all the packet it has for the receiver System B using the physical address received in the response packet. This is all about what ARP protocol is and how it works. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Happy learning!